It's a great day at Equity. Today, let's talk about your home office. So many of us work from home full-time or have a business with variable hours that allows for flexible work. When you're spending time working from home, you should be able to feel like you're at work and comfortable being there. We'll share some tips to make this space the best for you. Start with the room. Try to pick a room or location in your home with a separate door so you can close yourself off from the rest of the house. When you get off from work for the day, you can leave work in the office and go home, even though you're technically already there. When placing your desk or work area, look for a spot near natural daylight, preferably near a window. Nature views have been tied to increased energy for office workers. If you don't have enough natural light to work with, add ambient and task lighting to fit your workload. If you video chat or have frequent on-camera meetings, a ring light may be a great accessory to add to your workspace. If you don't have a separate work area and need to block out visual distractions, you can get portable screen dividers for your space. If noise is a problem, there are a wide variety of headphones on the market to help reduce noise and enhance the sound quality of your work. Add to your room. You can make your office your own. Is the corporate office plain and gray and you'd rather look at a blue accent wall? There's no reason not to decorate how you see fit. Bring in your plants and your favorite curtains. Keep some space open for movement. Studies suggest that you should make it a point to stand up and move around during the workday to help avoid eye strain, back pain, and headaches. Add in a recreational spot. Having a set lounging area in or near your office with different seating than your desk chair is best for short breaks. Make sure to consider your security as well. Ideally, your office should lock, and you should have desk drawers or a filing cabinet that can lock away important papers. This will help keep you organized as well. Your computer and what goes on it should be password protected too, to help you stay safe. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on our post notifications to never miss a new video. Please leave a comment below if this video was helpful and if you'd like to see more videos on similar topics.